Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. So today guys, we prepared whole red snappers. This is 800 grams guys. We also have a pickled vegetables here and lime with wasabi soy sauce. So let's start to eat guys. We need to put the lime juice. OMG. This is the whole red snapper. First bite. Mmm. Yummy guys. Very fresh one. Just now still swimming at that time. Mmm. Yummy. I already cut off this skin guys. Wow. It's a big cut guys. Mmm. Yum yum yum. Pickled vegetables spicy guys. Mmm. I cannot see that. Yum 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 guys. Mmm. Yummy. Spicy lemon spicy at the back there. Mmm. You know that this type of fish guys I love to eat. Yes, I really love to eat this one guys. See? Mm. Inexpensive per gram guys. Per gram here is 48 per gram. Expensive. Mm. Yummy. Did you guys love to eat fresh fish? Mm. Wow. Mm. In Philippines, we call this type of fish is maya maya, the expensive fish. Mm. We call this one is maya maya, maya maya fish. Wow, a very expensive one, guys. Mm. For today's drink, we have Mountain Dew. We put this little bit soju. Okay? Mountain Dew and soju. That's best combination. Love to drink with the fish, fresh fish. Wow, I love it. You know. Mm. Cheers, guys. Yummy. Sauce wasabi. My wasabi today is not too mini, not too spicy, guys. But the smell is still there. the, the strong smell is still there. Yummy. Did you guys love to eat fresh fish? I saw this fish just now swimming inside the tank. Now no more. The very first one. I asked the seller, can you help me to cut? I don't know how to cut like this. And slice with meat little bit. mm, I love it. Mm. So, guys. The skin is very hard, guys. Love. Yummy, guys. Spicy pickles. Excuse me. Wasabi, guys. Yes, guys. Mm. This one is a big cut, guys. This is a big cut, guys. Wow. Yummy, guys. Mm. Say no more. So, guys, that is the fish. Uh, the whole fish. I eat the meat, but this one is I need to steam later on. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoy watching my video, guys. Don't forget to watch another video in my YouTube channel there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!